Hello my lovely friends, welcome to another video. Woo, mosquitoes guys. Today I'm bringing you a medicinal video. I want to tell you about some medicinal herbs that we have growing on the farm. As you know guys, I'm very knowledgeable when it comes to medicinal herbs and plants. I spend a lot of time using a lot of medicinal plants in the products that I make, and I use medicinal plants in my home remedies that I make. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Hazel, and you guys are calling me wrong names but it's okay. Some of you are new to this channel and you don't know my name is Hazel. So my name is Hazel. So today we are going to talk about some medicinal plants. There's lots of medicinal plants growing here on my countryside property. So early spring, I start picking them. And the plant that I'm going to be talking to you about today is called Mugwort. Now, if you're hearing noise, it's very, very windy today. It's a windy day. We have a tornado warning. So we have to be on the lookout. We are in tornado country. So it's very, very windy, and I think it's the tornado they warned us about from Wednesday, and it's supposed to be passing through here in Ontario, Canada. So yeah, but I have to film today because I'm on the farm. So let's talk about this plant. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay. So this plant is called Mugwort. So Mugwort is a very nutritious plant. It is used for medicine, and it is used as a vegetable. So a couple of weeks ago, I had harvested a lot. They were low. When they're low down and they're really soft, they make a very tasty greens. You can cook that up anyhow you like it, with butter, with coconut, in rice, whatever you want to make, you can cook it up like that. But this has a lot of medicinal benefits, and so we're going to talk about that. There are a lot of mosquitoes out here, guys, and they're just getting me. So first, before we talk about the plant, let's identify the plant, because you just don't want to go out there and pick up any plant. You must know what plant it is. So this plant, as you see, it has very jagged edges, and on the leaf itself, look at the leaf. The leaf at the top has this one separate leaf. It looks like this, and it has this serrated edges. And if you look at the leaf span, it has this one leaf up, little piece up here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it always has 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, always 6 on the stem. Okay, so you want to identify the plant like this, and then underneath the plant, if you look, it has this kind of silver looking underneath. Okay, so that's the way to identify this plant. And it has a little pungent smell. Now that it's just coming in, it doesn't smell so bad, but as the plant get older, it has a really, really pungent smell. So that's some other ways to identify this plant. Now, I have a lot growing right on my driveway. As you can see, I was picking some from there. And so this plant is awesome. So Mugwort is very good for the liver. It's good for the kidney. It's good for the hair. It's good for the skin. Mugwort is a plant that it's like a sensitivity plant. When I say sensitivity, I mean it deals with anything like calming or anything like that's therapeutic. You know, it's like similar to lavender. It's very calming, and it brings that just mild effect to the body. So if you have like eczema, that's a good plant for you. You can just boil it in water, and then you can pour it in your bath with some baking soda, and you can bathe in this, and this would surely help. Oh, get away, flies. Another thing is, if you have a sunburn or if you have a rash, you can also do the same thing and bathing that, and this should help. Oh my goodness, these mosquitoes are terrible out here. Another function of mugwort is, guys, I'm making this video, I'm not going to make this mosquito stop me. Another function of mugwort is it's good for pimples. So if you have like a lot of pimples on your face and it's just irritating you, and you know it's red, mugwort is good for it. So you can make a poultice with mugwort and you can put it on those that is causing you a little bit of problem. You know, it's kind of itching and redness, so that should soothe that itching and redness. So mugwort is really good for that. Now mugwort is also a good detoxifier. So you can drink mugwort, you can add it to your smoothies, you can add it just by itself with mint, you can make a tea and drink it, and it's a good detoxifier for the body. So it's gonna remove toxins from the body, so it's awesome for that. And you can also add mugwort when you're making like a fire cider vinegar, so you get that tonic effect with the apple cider and all the other things like that you're putting in the fire cider. So it's just gonna kind of bring in that tonic effect. Another function of mugwort is you can use it in your hair. So you can let this dry. I have a whole bunch at my house that I picked a couple of weeks ago, and they're dried, and I am going to grind them in my grinder, and I'm going to make a beautiful oil. And now it's summer, and because of summer and we're in the sun and you know we're all over the place, we're walking with all kind of stuff. Now is the time when you know you get rashes, you maybe get bites and scrapes and bruises or whatever, bug bites, you may get mosquito bites. This mugwort oil is gonna be super amazing because you can just put it on your skin. If you get a bug bite, if you get a mosquito bite, you know, when you're going out and you going to the forest or you're going for a walk in nature, you could combine your mugwort oil with your citronella oil and use it as a deterrent for ticks. So mugwort, as you can see, it's so multifunctional. You can use it for all kind of stuff. You can use it for dandruff in your hair. If you have, like, you're prone to dandruff and you make that mugwort oil, you can put it all over your hair, leave it for 15-20 minutes and you can rinse it out. Or you can leave it in your hair, like, you know, like in my hair, I can leave it in my hair, it doesn't bother me. But if you have more straight hair and think your hair is going to be greasy, you can rinse it out. But mugwort is so amazing. So guys, if you come across this plant, mugwort, please cut some, identify it first, make sure it's mugwort, cut some and dry it and use it because it is very good. This plant is, a lot of people maybe, I don't know if they don't know about it or they don't use it a lot, but it's really good. And this mugwort mixed with mint, it has a very delicious flavor. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you go find some mugwort out there and make some medicine.